Welcome to Business Skills College Training, where we empower students with the tools they need to succeed in the dynamic world of business. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our Power BI program. Established in 2017, Epicminds IT boasts a team of over 250 dynamic professionals, dedicated to providing top-notch training services in various domains. Our services span across a wide range of fields, including data warehousing and analytics, software solutions, IT staffing, and more. With a focus on innovation and excellence, we strive to deliver unparalleled training experiences to our students. So, why choose us? Here are just a few reasons. Our experienced instructors provide personalized attention to each student, ensuring that they receive the support they need to succeed. Our follow-up sessions ensure that students have the opportunity to reinforce their learning and ask any questions they may have. At Business Skills College Training, we believe in a project-centered teaching approach that emphasizes practical immersion and comprehensive learning. Our goal is to ensure that students are fully prepared for the challenges of the real world. In our Power BI program, students will learn Power Query, ETL+M, Power Pivot, data modeling, and data visualization. But the benefits don't stop there. As a student at Business Skills College Training, you'll also gain valuable experience and enhance your resume with an internship certificate from a reputable IT company. Put your skills to the test with hands-on projects that simulate real-world scenarios. Increase your job prospects with enhanced analytical skills and practical experience. Prepare for interviews and perfect your resume with our mock interview and resume building sessions. Develop critical thinking and analytical skills that will serve you well in any career. Stay ahead of the curve with access to the latest tools and technologies in the field of business. Ready to take your business skills to the next level? Contact us today for more information on our Power BI program and start your journey towards a brighter future.